Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Mr. 3D. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you an add-on that allows you to create trees quickly using curves and shapes. So the name of the add-on is Anytree. I have included the link to this in the description down below in case you'd like to check it out and read more about it. Here you can see a few examples of what you can do. You can model or draw the approximate shape of the tree and the add-on does the rest. You can save hours on modeling trees with this. And with a single click, any tree will get the correct UVs, along with a whole bunch of leaves and bark materials. You will also get the ability to make growth animation for your tree. So without any further ado, let's dive into Blender. Now go over to Edit, Preferences, under Add-ons, and install Anytree add-on that you have downloaded from Blender Market. Once you install it, search for it and enable it, then save the preferences, and you're good to go. Now press N on your keyboard and here you will see a new panel called Anytree. Click on it and here you will see easy to use interface. So first we have curve tree, which means we can create trees using curves, and second we have shape tree. So click this shape and I have already made it a bit tree-like so I can demonstrate to you how this works. So now I'm going to click on add a new shape tree. It will take a few seconds to load it up and here you can see that we have the tree right here. Based on the shape we used, the tree looks exactly like it. To customize the tree, all you have to do is go over to modifiers panel and here you will see a bunch of different options and customizable parameters that you can play with to get the results you want. So first we have the tree object, then we have the tree starting point. So I will just show you how this works. So here we have the tree shape, which is actually the tree source. Then we have the start point, which is right here. So if you move it up and place it anywhere inside the shape, you can see that the root system or the base of the tree starts from there. So you can choose from where you want the tree to begin, which is amazing. And lastly, we have the tree system, which is the tree itself, and it's all powered by geometry nodes. So here we have tree detail, which you can increase or decrease, and you also have the performance mode to make your viewport responsive. Then you have the enable growth button as well. You can make your tree growth animations with this. Here you can see on the screen a small preview of the tree growth system. Then you have the gravity. If you decrease the gravity like 0.1, then it will make the branches bending towards ground. You can remove branches. I won't go through all of these customizations because I want to keep this video short. Remove internal branches, of course you can do that. Then you will be left with the outer branches of the tree. You have branch thickness, you have branch tip thickness, branch thickness balance as well. So you can kind of play around with the settings and get the results you want. You can relax the branches, which will make the tree look more like a stylized tree. You can also distort branches, just like that. You can also increase the branch resolution, branch randomness, branch smoothness. So yeah, you can see yourself how good this looks. So depending on what kind of scene you want, you can also look for this kind of trees. Then we have the add leaves button, which you should enable if you want to add leaves. And you can set the leaves collection right here. So if you have the leaves in your outliner, then you can select the collection. Right now I'm going to import leaves, which comes with the add-on itself. And here you will see a bunch of leaves right here. Now that I have leaves, I can select any collection, maybe this one and this one. So I selected these randomly, so you can do a bit of study on what tree you are making and add leaves according to those. You can also add your custom leaves. And here you have all the customizations for your leaves. You can remove leaves on branches that are thicker than. You can increase the leaf count. First, I'm going to go ahead and increase the scale of the leaves. And here you can see the leaves right here. Now, if you don't like it this way, then you can add stems as well. And you can, of course, increase the stem size. Just like that, you can also choose some other options such as leaves appearing distance, remove leaves from the ground, so on and so forth. I highly recommend you play around with all of these settings and get the results that you want. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add a bark material, which is this wood material. I'm going to click on enable materials, and under this bark material we don't have any bark materials. If you already have bark materials imported into Blender, then select from here, and if you don't have it, click on import materials. And then search the bark materials and I want to go with this one. Now I'm going to go over to rendered mode and gonna go ahead and add a HDRI to light the scene. So I'm gonna select this one. Right here you can see the tree. It looks beautiful. Now you can increase the count of leaves if you want to. Let's say I want 0.4. I will change the stem thickness to 0.1 and so on and so forth. You can also add wind animations to your trees. So if I enable that, I will not be able to preview this. So I will show you a bit of demo on screen right now. And you can also customize the wind animation. You can increase the speed of the wind or the movement of branches and leaves, so on and so forth. So play around with all of these settings until you get the results that you want. And make sure to turn off performance mode after you're done with your tree. I have way too many leaves, so I'm gonna decrease them to about 0.4. And if you want to remove the leaves that are very low, which you don't like, then you can remove branches lower than like 2 or 3. And here you can see that we don't have leaves here anymore. With Anytree, the limit is your imagination. And there you have it. Anytree is undoubtedly a game changer for Blender artists, helping you create any kind of tree you want. Let me know what you guys think about Anytree in the comment section below. And of course, you can check some of my previous videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting Blender related content. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.